Alright, here we go, whenever we're ready. Here we go again.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards.
Now
The
another.
weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day.